Conversation between two friends about inviting to dinner. Hi, Lucy. It is good to see you again. Hi, Barbie. Are you here for work? Yeah. Is George with you? No. I am here alone. George could not come this time. He has a lot of work to do. And his holidays were over a week ago. How long will you be staying here? 4 days. I am going back on Friday. My brother and I are getting together for dinner. Do you want to come with us? Yeah. That would be nice. I have a meeting in an hour. I can meet you afterwards. If that is okay. The meeting should not be long. That is fine. With whom is your meeting? The Boston Insurance Company. I will call you when it is over. Okay. Can I use your phone? I left mine in the car. And I want to call them to get directions. Sure. Here you go, after calling. Thank you so much, Barbie. By the way, where will you go for dinner? It is 5-star restaurant. Have you ever gone to this restaurant? No. I haven't. It is my first time. Okay. We will go to the restaurant after you finish your meeting. Okay. Thanks for dinner. It is my pleasure. Good luck for your meeting. Thanks again. Bye. Bye. If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share my video. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.